Welcome back! In this video, we're going to style text elements on our web page. Let's begin by adding content to our H1 and paragraph elements. First, let's open our HTML file and add an H1 element with the classic text lorem ipsum. Now, switching to our CSS file, our goal is to style the H1 element with a sans serif font, make it italic but not bold. We'll add font family sans serif, font weight normal, and font style italic to our H1. This combination will give our heading a distinct and stylish look. Next, let's insert a paragraph using the same lorem ipsum text as a placeholder. This will help us see the impact of our CSS changes. For the paragraph, we're aiming for a more traditional appearance with a serif font. By setting font family serif, we add those characteristic feet at the ends of the letters. To give our heading a bit more prominence, we'll increase its size. Set font size 180% for the H1. And for better readability of our paragraph, let's adjust the line height to 1.4. Moving on, let's implement font stacking for our heading. Font stacking ensures that our web page looks great, even if some fonts aren't available on the user's device. In our CSS, we'll update the H1 element's font family. We start with Open Sans, then Arial, followed by Helvetica. If none of these are available, it falls back to the default sans serif font. This way, our heading looks good no matter what. Now let's use the font shorthand property in our CSS to make our code more concise. This shorthand combines style, size, and family settings into one line. Remember, using this shorthand resets properties like font weight to their defaults. So we include italic and 180% for the font style and size, followed by our font stack. Simple and effective. In the final part of our tutorial, we're linking a Google web font to enhance our web page. Using web fonts like this is an excellent way to customize your site. We'll choose Oswald from Google Fonts. After selecting the styles you want, Google Fonts provides an HTML link. Copy this link and paste it into the head section of your HTML file. This links Oswald directly to your web page. Now, let's apply Oswald to our H1 element. In your CSS file, add font family, Oswald, to the H1 element. This ensures Oswald is the primary font with a sans serif fallback. We began by styling our H1 and paragraphs with CSS, creating a visually appealing text layout. We then explored font stacking for ensuring our text displays consistently across different browsers. Our next step involved implementing CSS shorthand, which streamlined our font styling process. And finally, we integrated the Oswald font from Google Fonts, adding a unique flair to our web page. Thanks for joining this tutorial. I hope these styling techniques have been helpful. See you in the next video.